How to maintain your car in good condition, full guide for beginners. To maintain a car in good condition, follow the manufacturer's service schedule, which includes regular oil and filter changes, and check and maintain tire pressure. Additionally, regularly inspect and top up fluids, like coolant, brake, and windshield washer fluid, check brakes and battery, and keep both the exterior and interior clean. Regular checks and fluid maintenance. Oil changes. Change the engine oil and filter according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Tire maintenance. Check tire pressure frequently and ensure it is at the recommended level. Rotate tires regularly to ensure even wear. Fluids. Regularly check and top up essential fluids like engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Filters. Replace the engine air filter and cabin air filter as needed. Brakes. Inspect brakes regularly for wear and ensure they are in good condition. Battery. Check the battery's condition and keep terminals clean. Other important tasks. Cleanliness. Keep your car clean, both inside and out, to protect the paint and interior surfaces. Wash the undercarriage when possible. Lights. Regularly test and replace any burnt-out bulbs, including headlights, taillights, and indicators. Wipers. Check and replace windshield wiper blades when they become worn or streaky. Belts and hoses. Inspect drive belts and hoses for cracks or damage. Listen and watch. Pay attention to any unusual sounds, smells, or warning lights on the dashboard, and address them promptly. Driving habits and professional service. Drive smoothly. Avoid aggressive driving, such as harsh braking and rapid acceleration, which can put extra strain on your car's components. Follow service schedule. Adhere to the recommended service intervals outlined in your owner's manual for major maintenance tasks.